Dear learners, good afternoon. I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty of Allah at home in this moment. I am also well. I am Muhammad Mustafizur Rahman, a senior assistant teacher of Mamun City Public High School, Sunutia Bazar, Jamalpur. Welcome to online class. Now I want to teach you about voice. In previous class, I discussed about this. I discussed such as what is voice, how many kinds of voice, what are they, subject, object, verb, extension, and some auxiliary verbs according to tense. Now I am going to teach you another rules. You know that there are 5 kinds of sentence according to meaning. Only 3 sentences are changed according to voice. I am going to teach you about imperative sentence. In previous class I discussed only assertive sentence. Look at the whiteboard. I have written some sentences and some rules. Now I will discuss these rules to you. Look at, do the work. It is imperative sentence. You also know that imperative sentence is a critical sentence. It has many different rules. I will discuss these serially. Listen to attentively. Number 1, do the work. Which sentence is it? Imperative sentence. When any sentence starts with verb, what will you do then? Look at the structure. At first, you have to memorize the structure. Then, the sentence will be easy for you. Do the work. It starts with verb structure. Let plus object of active voice plus be plus past participle form of verb. According to structure, change it. Do the work. It is verb. It is object. According to rule, you have to set up let, then object the verb. Next, auxiliary verb be, then past participle form of verb. Past participle form, it has verb do. Its past participle form done. So let the work be done. Is it clear? Next, number 2, do not shut the door. When any sentence starts of do not, what will you do then? There is no problem. You should memorize the structure. It will be very easy for you. Structure, let not plus object of active voice plus be plus past participle form of verb. If you memorize this rule, this sentence will be very easy for you. Do not shut the door. It is imperative sentence. It is negative sentence. According to structure, try to solve it. Do not. Then let not according to structure plus object of active voice. It has object the door. We can set up the object the door. Let not the door. According to next rule, be. Past participle form of verb. Past participle shut. Let not the door be shut. You know that some verb are same rule, such as past, present, past participle form, same form. Number 3, never tell a lie. When any sentence starts with never, then you follow this structure. Let plus never plus object of active voice plus be plus past participle form of verb. According to structure, you have to change this sentence. At first you set up let, then plus never, let never, next object of active voice. It has object a lie. Let never a lie. According to rule, next will be be past participle form tell, told. Let never a lie be told. Have you understood? Then I want to discuss number 4. Let me do it. Let me do it. When any sentence starts with let, you will follow this structure. Let plus direct object of active voice plus be plus past participle form of verb plus by plus indirect object of active voice. If you memorize the structure, it will be very easy. According to the structure, at first you will set up let, then direct object it, let it. Next rule be, let it be. Next past participle form of verb. It has verb do. What will be past participle form? Done. Let it be done by indirect object me, by me. Have you understood? Listen to another rule. Number 5, buy me a shirt. This sentence is another rule. Buy me a shirt. Look at the structure. Let plus object of active voice plus be plus past participle form of verb plus for plus indirect object. If there is such kind of sentence, you must follow this structure. First you set up let, then object, direct object, a shirt, let a shirt. All auxiliary verb are same, only be. Let a shirt be, then past participle form by, what, past participle form of verb plus for. According to rule, you can set up for. Then indirect object me. Let a shirt be bought for me. I think that if you memorize this structure, all imperative sentence will be very easy for you. Have you understood? Now I am going to teach you about interrogative sentence. In previous class I discussed about interrogative sentence. I say again, we know that interrogative sentence is two types. One sentence starts with auxiliary verb and another sentence starts with WH word. I have written two kinds of sentence. Have you eaten rice? Do you say which form is it? It starts with auxiliary verb. When any sentence starts with auxiliary verb, you follow this structure with auxiliary verb. Look at the structure. Auxiliary verb plus object of active voice plus past participle form of verb plus by plus object of subject of active voice. Look at this sentence. Have you eaten rice? At first you set up auxiliary verb according to tense. You must understand which tense is it. It is present perfect tense. According to object, it will be has. Has auxiliary verb plus object of active voice. It has object rice. Has rice. When you change active from passive, active to passive, there are one or two auxiliary verb. It has two auxiliary verb, so you can set up another auxiliary verb after subject. Then you set up verb 3. It is short form of past participle form of verb. You can say verb 3 or past participle form of verb. Eaten. Has rice been eaten? It is past participle form. According to structure, by plus object of subject of active voice. You. There is no sense subject and object. You. Then note of interrogation. Note of interrogation. Have you understood? When any sentence starts with auxiliary verb, you can follow this structure. There are different kinds of auxiliary verb: am, is, are, was, were, have, will, shall, etc. Next, rule number 7. What do you want? What do you want? It is also interrogative sentence. It has started WH word. There are different kinds of WH word. It has another rule to change from active to passive. What? If there is what, any sentence, you can follow this rule. This rule is only what, not another WH word. What do you want? Look at the structure. What plus auxiliary verb plus past participle form of verb plus by plus object of subject of active voice. According to structure, you can change it. What plus auxiliary verb. It is present indefinite tense. Is. It will be is. What is. It has verb want. Its past participle form wanted. What is wanted? According to rule, by. Next, object of subject. It has subject you. It is object. It will be object. There is no sense if there is subject you. Subject object, no sense. You. Last rule, note of interrogation. In this way, in this system, you will change this voice from active to passive. Is there any problem? If you memorize all the structure, only structure, any kind of sentence, you will solve at home and school. There is a proverb in English, practice makes a man perfect. If you do it, you will expert in English day by day. Thank everyone. Keep well at home. See again next class. Goodbye.